Hello.
Hi guys.
It's been a little while.
Just a little bit.
But firstly, apologies that we haven't put anything up for a few weeks. And we've been rather busy with various other things.
Birthdays.
Yeah, so we just haven't got around to editing, and the Mac takes about 6 hours to convert a video because it's pretty much dead. So
I've got to get a new one.
So we'll get there. But anyway, we are away for the weekend, staying away for Liam's 80th birthday. Liam's 80th.
I'm not
He's looking well.
well.
Liam's grandma's 80th birthday, so we've booked into a hotel nearby where she stays, and she happens to live near East Midlands Airport. So we're staying in the Hilton at East Midlands Airport, and we thought, well, why waste the opportunity? We may as well show you guys around in case you're planning on flying to anywhere from East Midlands. Obviously now TUI do fly from here
To Sanford.
Orlando, so
Yeah, to Sanford, not Orlando International.
yeah.
And
Yeah,
they
the rubbish
use
one.
they can't say that. And they use the Dreamliner.
They do. The Dreamliner is very nice planes. That's
It's
all I'm
lovely
going to
plane.
say about them.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's show you the room. So this is the room, so obviously that's where we come in.
That's the door.
Full tea, coffee making facilities. And glasses with little hats on.
Meow.
Box of tissues. And the hairdryer that comes with the room. We stayed last night. There again. Well, there's Liam. So, yeah.
Oh, this is the
Little-
cupboard, look.
Hideaway bit.
This is
Cupboard.
a big wardrobe, so the safe is
And it
free.
has a safe, which is a nice touch.
It's free and the instructions are in here. We've not used
Ironing
it.
board and iron, which I think I need to use before we go anywhere. The bathroom.
It's very American
Uh,
themed bathroom.
The shower isn't fantastic, but it's alright. There we go. There's us again. Hello. And
The aircon, so you do have aircon. This
Yeah.
is your temperature gauge, hot, cold, fast or slow.
blessing at this time of year.
Oh, and if you're a Hilton Honours member, you get free Wi-Fi and it's in your room.
What do you do to be one of those members then?
Just register free online at www.hilton.com.
And obviously double bed, it's very comfortable. Pillows are very nice. All beds don't come with a Liam, don't worry. Good
You
sized TV.
You get 2 pillows. Not that
Connecting
big.
room, so if you are a family and you want to shut the kids away, you can do. Desk, chair, little table, another chair. And then we're on the second floor. And we think that over there is the airport.
Well, we got told the airport's over there, but what they're building is a new East Midlands Airport International Depot, I think it's called.
So yeah, that's the room. We have been down for breakfast this morning. Breakfast was 23.
It was £24, so it's £12 each for breakfast, cooked breakfast buffet and a continental.
Good selection, although you had a couple of the pastries and they weren't fantastic.
No, I had a cinnamon swirl that was very soggy, like eating soggy bread. Croissant was very dry, and then I had a chocolate orange twist. I normally like them, but it was like chewing an eggshell, if you've chewed an eggshell before.
I know, it's selling you, isn't it? They had a selection of smoothies, granolas, fruits, meats, smoked salmon.
I've taken photos, so we'll...
Yeah, so these should be coming in now. You shouldn't be seeing us, you should be seeing them. Depends how easy it is to edit this on the phone. Cooked breakfast was good. Sausages were a little bit
I like the sausages.
but everything else
But it
was
all
very
depends
nice.
on what you like. Things are cooked differently wherever you go. Here they make the eggs on how you want it. There's a chef there.
Yeah, so if you want, I think a couple of people in front of us were having poached eggs. We just took fried eggs that were on the side.
Yeah, and they're in a black sauce dish.
Yeah,
so
tiny little frying pans.
yeah, so you pour the egg onto your plate.
At least
and then
that's what
leave
we
it there.
think we do. That's what we did.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you meant to take it with you or not.
What
But yeah,
else?
that's about it really, isn't it?
Yeah. Price-wise for the room, it's not too bad. It was I paid £52 for the room per night,
Which is all right.
which is okay. But then there's loads of different saver rates on there, like packages including breakfast and movies, and you just pick whatever.
There's quite a lot of parking, so we don't know if they do parking while you're away as well. Worth looking into.
Yeah,
So-
we'll have a look.
Downstairs as well, there's a really nice lounge. I'll put a picture in now. So if we were flying somewhere tomorrow, that'd be a nice place to sort of start the holiday and chill.
Chill, yeah. Go there
Yeah.
just before you check in.
Unfortunately, we're not, so we're not using that.
No, but we will be visiting here. There's East Midlands Airport.
Yeah.
Which is a play park for kids with old aircrafts and stuff. That's the last time I saw it, but I'm not sure if it's changed.
And it's
Find out.
near the runway, isn't
And
it?
you can look at the runway. It's attached to the runway, but there's a fence.
Yeah, so you can't get run over.
And stuff like that. So, and if you download the Flight Radar app, it'll be able to tell you when planes or flights are due to take off and come in. And
The other thing this hotel has is a gym and a swimming pool,
yeah,
which you get use of as well. So we haven't been to see the pool. We've got a picture of the gym, haven't we?
yeah, got
Yeah.
to the gym,
But,
but the pool, people were swimming in there. And
Yeah,
it's
and you
not
can't
nice
really go
to
in and just take a picture of them. So, but
Yeah.
so far it's been a nice stay, nice hotel. Would stay here again.
Yeah. Parking, I got told it's £5 per day. So obviously we've got to go out later and come back in, so I'm hoping it's still classed as,
I'm sure it will be.
but parking's different. But if not, there was a pay-as-you-go tariff, and it was £25 between 12 and 24 hours.
So don't park here unless you're staying. Yeah, it's been
I-
good.
I really like it. Really like the hotel. It gives you, it's got that American theme.
Has it?
I think so.
I don't think so. I don't think it feels American.
It does, especially the bathroom.
just
Oh, I'd
old.
just like to say, hi Paris Hilton's daddy. I'm Paris.
On that note, we'll leave. See you later.